Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Here take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane, so we'll select here the XY plane. This will be the front view. Take here circle command and make one circle from the center point of diameter 100. Okay, from same center make another dia of 120 mm. Go to line command. From this outside match the center and match here. Escape. Okay, go to trim command, trim this profile, and here escape. Now finish sketch. Now go to extrude. Now we'll extrude this profile. Okay, we'll take here symmetric and we'll give an extrude dimension of 80 mm. Press OK. Now here go to origin, select XY plane once again, go to create sketch. Take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. Here give the height of 20 mm. Okay, from center point this distance here will be of 100 mm. Okay, now escape. We'll drag this. You can drag this. Okay, select this point. Select this point. You can drag this. Go to coincident. Here find this yellow center point and select this point. Okay, finish sketch. Take extrude, take symmetric extrude. This time the extrude dimension will be of 50 mm and press OK. Okay, now go to part 3. We have constructed this and we have constructed this. Now we are going to construct this profile. Go to part 1. Select XY plane, go to create sketch, take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 40. Go to dimension, from center, select the center, take dimension 110. Okay, go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, finish sketch, take extrude, take here symmetric and take extrude of 70 mm. Press OK. So this will be the third profile. Now here go to part 3. Now we are going to construct this top profile. Go to part 1. For this top profile, select XY plane, go to create sketch. Take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle. Make one rectangle here, go to dimension, define the width of 60, define the height of 28 and here go to line command and make a center profile. Escape, select this profile, make it construction, go to dimension, select this front face and select the center profile. Now here the center to center distance will be of 145 mm. Okay, now select this base and select the center. Height will be of 150 mm and finish sketch. Now here go to revolve and here we will consider this as the rotation axis. So this will construct a round profile. Press OK. Now we have different profiles. Now we are going to join all the profiles. Okay, so for joining, go to part 3. So we are going to construct this profile first. Go to part 1. Now we are going to make the joining profile. Go to 2D sketch, select XY plane. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, take the line command, make one straight line. Okay, escape, go to line command once again, make one line like this till here, escape, and go to dimension, define this as 10, define the height of 150, the distance from base of 125. Okay, now escape, drag this down, go to the arc command, take 3-point arc, make one arc profile here, go to tangent constraint, select this line, select the arc and select this curve. Okay, go to dimension, define radius as 50. Now other profile, go to offset once again, select this and drag the cursor this side, enter, take offset of 10 and escape. Okay, go to coincident, select this point and select this point, and here go to trim this profile. Now go to offset once again, select this curve, press here, enter, take offset of 10 and escape. Okay, go to trim this, here trim this and trim this. Okay, go to line command, we'll start from here, the line will come here, here and a straight line here. Escape, go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this curve, select this and make one arc. Go to dimension, define this as 25, define this as 10, and here go to horizontal constraint, select this point, go to dimension, define the center to center as 20. Okay, and here go to tangent constraint, select this and select this. Okay, go to trim this profile. Okay, go to line command and make one straight line, select this point, escape. Now go to arc command, take 3-point arc and here make the arc profile and escape. Select this yellow profile, make it construction, select this, make it construction, again make it construction. Finish sketch, extrude, and here take symmetric extrude, and here we'll take extrude of 55 mm. View, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, go to front view, so this will be the profile. Now go to home. Now we are going to make the cutout profiles. Okay, now first go to 3D model, take fillet, take a fillet radius of 10, add selection, select this corner and press OK. Here select the XY plane, go to create sketch, take here rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, here make the rectangle profile, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, now here go to the sketch, dimensions, define this as 30. Okay, and here the height will be of 35. Go to the horizontal constraint and here select the center. Okay, go to the project geometry, project this profile, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and here select this green point. Now here go to vertical constraint, select the vertical point. So go to project geometry once again, select this vertical constraint, select this green point and select this green point. Okay. Now here go to arc command, take 3-point arc and make one arc profile. Okay. Finish sketch, extrude, select both the profiles, take here symmetric and take here a distance of 35 mm extrude. Press OK. Okay. Select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. Select the center, make a die of 15 mm. Finish sketch, take extrude, take here direction 2. So this will cut the profile and drag the outside. Okay. Now we are going to make the another cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Select this front face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and on the center make here a circle of diameter 20. Okay. And here take the rectangle, 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile, go to dimension, define this as 5, go to coincident, select the center, select this point, now green point and the yellow point. Okay, escape, go to dimension, define this total height of 60 mm and escape. Select this yellow profile, make it construction, finish sketch, go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles, here flip the direction, so this will be a cut profile and press OK. Okay, now here select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle of diameter 14 mm, take 14, go to vertical constraint, select this center, select this, horizontal constraint, select this center and select this. Finish sketch, extrude, flip the direction to cut and press OK. Select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command, from this center point make die 20, finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction, rotate the profile, this will be also a through cut and press OK. Go to home view. Now this profile is almost complete. Okay, now we are not left with anything, so you can give the appearance. I'll give the cyan color, okay, for this profile, so this will be the final output. You can give the radius here, select this, fillet, take radius 10, rotate, select this corner and press OK. Go to home view. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do it like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.